There are several theories that attempt to explain the potential destruction of Earth, including collision with an asteroid or comet. A large impact event from an asteroid or comet could have devastating consequences for Earth. In the past, such events have caused mass extinctions and significant changes to the planet's climate. For example, the impact that led to the extinction of the dinosaurs is believed to have been caused by an asteroid. The threat from impact events is ongoing, and scientists continue to track potentially hazardous asteroids and comets. According to NASA, there are approximately 20,000 near-Earth asteroids with diameters larger than 140 meters, any one of which could have global consequences if it were to impact the Earth. Climate change. Climate change, caused by human activities such as the burning of fossil fuels and deforestation, is causing global temperatures to rise and leading to a variety of consequences for the planet. Rising sea levels, more frequent and intense natural disasters, and the loss of biodiversity are among the impacts being seen today. Climate change could eventually lead to the collapse of civilization and the destruction of the planet if it is not addressed. For example, according to the United Nations, the global average temperature is projected to increase by 3.2 to 7.2 degrees Fahrenheit, 1.8 to 4.0 degrees Celsius, by the end of the 21st century, which would have significant impacts on global ecosystems and human populations. Overpopulation. As the human population continues to grow, it is putting increasing pressure on the planet's resources and contributing to environmental degradation. The depletion of resources such as water, food, and energy, as well as the loss of biodiversity and increased pollution, could lead to a catastrophic collapse of civilization. For example, the United Nations estimates that the world's population will reach 9.7 billion by 2050, putting further strain on the planet's resources. Nuclear war. The widespread use of nuclear weapons in a global conflict could have devastating consequences for the planet. The immediate impact of a nuclear war would be catastrophic, with widespread death and destruction, and the long-term effects, such as nuclear winter, could be equally devastating. For example, the total destructive power of the world's nuclear arsenals is estimated to be approximately 50,000 Hiroshima-sized bombs. Natural disasters. Catastrophic natural events such as supervolcanoes, massive earthquakes, or gamma-ray bursts could have devastating consequences for the planet and its inhabitants. These events are unpredictable and could occur at any time, with potentially catastrophic consequences. For example, a massive earthquake in a highly populated area could cause widespread death and destruction, while a supervolcano eruption could have global consequences, such as significant cooling of the planet and disruption of ecosystems. Alien invasion. Although there is no evidence to support this theory, some believe that an extraterrestrial civilization could invade and conquer Earth, potentially leading to the destruction of the planet. This scenario is purely hypothetical and there is no scientific evidence to suggest that it is likely. The Sun's expansion. As the Sun continues to age, it will eventually expand and become a red giant, potentially swallowing up the inner planets, including Earth. This event is estimated to occur in approximately 5 billion years. The expansion of the Sun will have significant consequences for the inner planets, including the eventual destruction of the Earth. These are some of the most widely discussed theories about the potential destruction of Earth. It is important to note that some of these scenarios may not happen for billions of years, if at all, and that proactive measures can be taken to mitigate the risks posed by some of these events.